Electrophiles and nucleophiles. Which one is electrophile and which one is nucleophile from the compounds below? Let us try to find. Electrophiles and nucleophiles. Electrophiles. And here nucleophiles. Electrophiles are electron deficient. Electron deficient species or entities. Electrophiles are electron deficient species or entities, and nucleophiles are electron rich species or entities. Electrophiles, nucleophiles. Electrophiles are electron deficient species or entities, and nucleophiles are electron rich species or entities. Now, water. Water is electrophile or nucleophile. In water, oxygen carries two lone pairs of electrons. From this point, this is electron rich entity. So water is a kind of nucleophile, electron rich species. Then boron trifluoride. Structure formula is this: trigonal planar molecule, a kind of covalent compound. These are covalent bonds. That means around boron 6 electrons, which is octet incomplete. That is, here electron deficiency is present. That is why this is a kind of electrophile. Boron trifluoride is a kind of electrophile. That is, here around boron positivity appears. Electrophiles in which positivity appears, and nucleophiles negativity appears. So boron trifluoride is a kind of electrophile. Now, ammonia. Nitrogen of ammonia carries one free pair of electrons. So this is electronically rich, electron rich entity. So ammonia is a kind of nucleophile. Now, sulfur trioxide. Structure formula of sulfur trioxide is this: electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5 and electronegativity of sulfur is 2.4. So covalently bonded electrons move towards oxygen, and as a result, around sulfur positive heat appears. So sulfur trioxide is a kind of nucleophile. Then aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride is considered covalent compound. That is, around aluminum there is incomplete octet. That is, this is electron deficient entity. So aluminum chloride is a kind of electrophile. From the same point of view, ferric chloride is a kind of electrophile. That is, it is considered covalent compound. Around iron 6 electrons, octet incomplete, positivity appears. So iron 3 chloride is a kind of electrophile. Then alcohol, oxygen carries 2 free pairs of electrons. Considering this is electron rich entity. So alcohol is a kind of nucleophile. Then hydroxide ion, this is definitely electron rich species. So this is nucleophile, specifically this is negatively charged nucleophile. Then phosphine, phosphorus carries 1 free pair of electrons. Considering this, it is considered phosphine is electron rich entity. So this is nucleophile. That is to say, these are electrophiles and these are nucleophiles. Thank you for watching.